Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Jam reading for Taurus Sun Moon Rising for the month of November. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it does not, you can book yourself a personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Please remember, my readings are general, so if they're not resonating, please don't try to fit in unnecessarily. In this reading, I'm going to go through your current energy, Taurus. I'm going to find out what's up with you. In the next step, I'm going to dive deep into the emotions of the person that you guys are dealing with, and then in the end, I'm going to find out the outcome for you and your person for the month of November. Let me see what's up with my beautiful Taurus Sun Moon Rising for the month of November. Please tell me what's up with my beautiful Taurus Sun Moon Rising for the month of November. Beautiful Taurus Sun Moon Rising. Well, Taurus, if there is one thing that, if there is one word that I'm fetching out of this whole vibe, is that you guys are ready. I do see you guys really screaming at the universe, screaming at life that, bring it on, bitch. Like, come what may, bring whatever you want to my table, and I'm gonna ace it, I'm gonna nail it. Like, I do see that a lot of you guys are really fired up. You guys have the pace, you guys have the direction, you guys know where you're going, and you sort of have that feeling of being unstoppable, guys. Like, I'm clearly sensing this, that whatever goals that you have in mind, whatever whatever the kind of life that you want to build for yourself, the kind of abundance that you want to attract, I'm just sort of sensing that vibe that y'all are ready. You're sitting on a high horse. You're ready to beat the competition. You have decided that you're not going to settle for anything lesser than the life that you have really envisioned for yourself, and the kind of life that you want to build for yourself. And it's not even about, you are not at this point in time, you're not tripping on the consequences. What you're tripping on is the passions that you have, and you want to live them fully. So this is a brilliant energy, Taurus. My heart is full. I do see that you guys are ready to go to the next level, and nothing shall stop you. Nothing whatsoever. Can you please clarify Knight of Cups for me? Please clarify Knight of Cups. Please clarify Knight of Cups. Yes, Taurus. I do see that for the month of November, or maybe you guys have already started the work, that you have become so focused to your fulfillment, to really acing your passions, to really acing the life that you want to build for yourself, that you're ready to do what it takes. You are really ready to walk off from people that don't really serve the right purpose in your life. You are really ready to be selfish. You are ready to really shut doors on people and places that are not working in your favor. You are ready to lose just about everything to really get to where you want to. You're ready to fight everything that to get to where you want to. And I clearly see victory, guys. And I don't see victory. I know for a matter of fact that for the people this reading is resonating with, you guys see victory. I do see that you have decided that no matter what, come what may, I'm going to make this happen for myself. So I don't see victory, but I know, I do see victory because you do see that in your mind. I do see that there is a massive sense of determination and courage, and really inflated sense of just making it happen no matter what. Like, I'm going to destroy anything and everything that's going to come on my way, and I'm going to really make it. I'm just sort of sensing that, and it's so empowering. Like, I'm so empowered right now. If this reading is resonating with you, Taurus, please hit on the subscribe button. If this reading is resonating with you, please hit on the subscribe button, and I will dive deep into the emotions of the person that you guys are dealing with. I want to dive deep into the emotions of the person my Taurus Sun Moon Rising are dealing with. Meanwhile, you can hit on the subscribe button if the reading is resonating with you. Please dive deep into the emotions of the person. be dealing with a Libra, could be dealing with a Pisces, could be dealing with a Scorpio, could be dealing with a Cancer. Could be any sign as far as elements go. There is massive Libra and Pisces energy over here. Okay guys, okay, let me break it down to you that the person that you guys are dealing with, I'm just clearly hearing it, that your person just doesn't feel that you are really contributing to this equation enough or in a fair way. I clearly see you guys having those conversations where your person is asking you that, do you think you are doing fair justice to this relationship? Do you think you are contributing enough? Do you think you will be able to handle this relationship with all the passion that you have for the work? Okay, Taurus, I clearly see that the person that you guys are dealing with feels there's moon in reverse, there's love, there's two of cups, and there's justice in reverse. The bottom energy is two of pentacles in reverse. So I clearly see that the person that you guys are dealing with on certain levels feels really disconnected from themselves, because they're clearly in love with you. They really want to be with you, but at the same time they just sort of feel that sort of discontentment and that disconnection from themselves, because they realize that even though they really like you, you are certainly not in a place of delivering what their expectations are out of a relationship. So I do see that the person that you guys are dealing with is in a very confused state of mind, that their heart wants to be with you, but their mind is like, oh, I'm not satisfied, oh, this is not happening and that is not happening. So this person is consistently contemplating whether to be with you, to be or to not be. Like, this person is consistently contemplating, because at one side, this massive love and affection that they feel for you, that really doesn't let them walk out successfully, but at the same time they sort of feel that you are not even contributing 10% of what they have been. So they just sort of also feel left out, and then even when they try to focus on other things, they are not able to. This person sometimes also thinks that they are playing stupid, that they are being really stupid to really give it all to you, when they are sort of not getting the kind of efforts that they are putting in. So at this point in time, if I want to put your person's feelings for you in a nutshell, Taurus, look, this person really wants to be with you. This person wants to do it all to sustain this relationship, but this person also has certain expectations which they do not see getting fulfilled. They do not see you really contributing to this equation at all. They just sort of feel that you're taking them for granted, you're taking them for a ride. Or if this is a new person in your life, when they see, this is something really complex, that this person is attracted to you because they really like the fact that you're so passionate about what you do. But at the same time, this person has such deep emotional needs that they want you to fulfill. So I don't know if they feel disconnected or not, but they are certainly disconnected, because when a person does not date according to their emotional needs, that's a very clear sign of being disconnected from oneself. If you are somebody who needs like a lot of time from your person, you must not date somebody like a Taurus. You must not date somebody who's just like at this point in time all about their passion. So that's what I read in your person's energy, Taurus. If this reading is resonating with you guys, please hit the subscribe button. And I'm going to find out the outcome for you and your person for the month of November. If this reading is resonating with you guys, please hit on the subscribe button. What's the outcome? What's the outcome for Taurus? Please give me the outcome. Okay, Taurus, see. What I'm sensing out of this vibe is that you also want this person as much as they want you, but at the same time you want them to bear with you at this point in time. I do see that some of you are going to have this conversation at some point in the month of November, wherein you guys are going to let each other know that how much you mean to each other, wherein you guys are going to let each other know, the true feelings, and you guys are going to try to find a middle ground. I know that both of you have really thought about it enough, and both of you have arrived to a conclusion that you really want to be with each other. So I do see, Taurus, that at some point in November, I do see that you guys are going to have this conversation of arriving at a middle ground, of really validating the fuck out of each other. You guys are going to let each other know that that their love, their support, their validation, and their presence really matters to you. Both of you are going to be mutual about it, and I do see that this person that you guys are dealing with is really down for you, Taurus. This person that you guys are dealing with is really down for you in a way that even for once, if you let them know that hey, I really love you, or really want to be with you, but can you just like bear with me while I really build the life that I want to for both of us. I do see that this person is really going to melt. This is a very beautiful reading, Taurus. My heart is full. I do see that both of you guys are going to take charge of your feelings, of your emotions, of your life, of your finances, of everything. And I do see that eventually you guys are going to end up together. And in the month of November, both of you are going to evolve and transform to a level, and you guys are going to, start vibing on the same frequency. You guys are going to start vibing on the same frequency. You're going to let this person know, and you're going to let this person know that what, I really want to be with you. I want to work this out. I want to take this ahead. This person is going to let you know that they really want to build with you. They really want to build like a beautiful family with you, emotional fulfillment with you. And you guys are really going to support each other through thick and thin, and you guys are going to be each other's really like a great support system. You guys are going to work out through the toxicity, and I do see that it's going to work out brilliantly for both of you, Taurus. This is the best fucking reading. My heart is really full. I'm sending you guys a lot of love and light, lot of love and lot of fulfillment, guys, because I'm literally empowered with this energy that I just felt. I hope it resonated. Let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys next week.